Hi everyone and welcome back to Money's Corner. I've been gone again. Just want you to know that I'm not gone because I wanted to put due to health issues, but I am finally better. And I am going to do a video today on a palette that I have wanted for so long. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw me post it, and it is the Huda Beauty, and my son got that for me. So I'm like very excited, and it comes like this. Look at how pretty that is. And here are the amazing colors. Now, I'm going to do a look and it's not going to go with my outfit, but that's okay because I can change the blouse before we leave. So let's go ahead and get this started. And right now, I want you all to know that I'm wearing the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear, and it is amazing. I mean, hides practically everything, and I already did my eyebrows and I already primed my eyes, and let's go ahead and get this video started. So I love color, and to me the most amazing colors are the neutrals to give it a little bit of poof. So I'm going to start with this color right here, and I'm going to lay it all over the eye. So I'm going to dab into it very carefully, and then I am going to just go ahead and put that all over the eye. This is how I do my eye makeup. We're all different. This is what works for me. A few years back, I had a really issue with pigmentation. I don't know what happened. My eyes got, I know that this area is supposed to get darker, but it got darker exaggeratedly. So ever since then, I've been trying to lighten it up, and sometimes I just got tired of trying, and I said I'm just gonna, even it out with some light eyeshadow that will make my eyes look good. So I'm just working that in there, and working it in there. And I'm learning. I mean, I'm trying to learn, and I see videos and I'm like, oh my God, did I just do that? I left that bunch of, but I'll leave spots, and I'm like, the only way you can learn is practice and error and trial. So I'm in the learning position. So I'm going to start with covering my eye with blazing, and I am going to go ahead and just put it all here, all here. I'm gonna dip in a little bit. I do it gently. I tend to be very rough with the palettes, and I'm like, this is why I break them, or you have to be gentle. So I am just doing that all over the eye, and I am going to do this on this eye as well. Now you all know, if you've been following me, that I like to work in pairs. So I'm putting this right there. So now I'm going to go in with saffron, this color right there. And I'm going to just dip it in there, and I'm going to start go ahead and adding the saffron. And it's a little bit redder, as you can see, and I'm going in with saffron, just making sure. I'm trying to make sure that I go up, not just leave it down there so much. There we go. And I'm going to try, okay, we can clean that up with a little bit of concealer. I'm going with the saffron as well here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this amber color right here, the amber, and I'm going to tip it in there. And this one, I love this amber color. It's like my favorite. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Amber. I'm going in with the amber, and I am trying to incorporate as much as possible. Okay, let's do the other eye with the amber. These colors are just gorgeous. These are the colors I tend to draw more into, but I also like my greens and my yellows. I plan to get the James Charles palette, you all. You guys stay tuned for that. I mean, those colors are just amazing on that palette. So now that I've done that, I am going to go ahead and grab another brush, this one right here, and I'm just gonna make sure that I am spreading it all around. And then I'm going to go this one. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more of amber in here. Now you all excuse my kitty, she's having a cow because we made her come inside the room. Okay, and then after that, what I'm going to go ahead is I'm going to go back with this brush right here. And I am going to go down here and I'm going to put a little bit more of the clear and a little bit more of the clear right here, which helps me right there. See? Now the color that I'm going to put in here is called Nefertiti, if I say it correctly, and it's this like gold shimmer right here. And I'm going to use my finger for that. So I'm going to go in and spread it in there. And I'm going to go on the other side and spread it in there. Again, and spread it in there, and then make sure they're both even. And I believe they are. And I'm going to go a little bit with amber in here. So I've done that. Now, I am not a professional. I'm going to try and do a cut crease. We're all doing it differently. This is how I'm doing mine. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to grab a little bit of the NYX. And I'm going to put one pump like this. And I'm going to grab this one. I think a thinner one. Let me find a thinner one. I am going to grab this one right here. I think this is perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna dab it like this, and I'm gonna spread it with the hand just a little bit. Remember, I'm not a professional. I'm just trying and testing it out. And if I fail, I will try till I do it again. And I am going to start doing it from here. This is the second time I've done a cut crease. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but again, I have to keep trying till I get it right, correct? So here we go again. And I think we need a little bit more right here. And I'm gonna do it up to there. A little bit more. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Try till you succeed. And here you go. All right, go to the go to the other side to do that as well. You all know I work in pairs. This one's a little bit easier. Okay. Just a little bit more here. See, I know you're supposed to do it in the middle, but this is the way I like how it looks on me. So this is the look I'm creating. Like I said, trial and error. Okay. There you go. I think that's about it. Rub this. Now I'm gonna go back with the Huda palette. And the one that I'm going to grab is this really, really gorgeous Angelique right here. That one right there. I'm supposed to go see my mom, so probably change to a pink blouse because I do have that. And I'm just gonna dab that right there like that. So I think I'll do it with my finger. And I'm gonna get the other one over here and I'm gonna do the same. I have moody cats today, you all. I'm sorry to hear that's my Blackington's, my son's boy, who likes being a pain and likes to meow while I'm doing this. But there you go. And I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to do it with the hand. I'm going to go in with the hand again. And I'm going to go in with the hand again. And I'm going to blend it through the pink down here. Y'all, working without glasses for me is a nightmare. And this is the look I created with. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and get some more amber and put it right here. Some more amber. And this may not be a regular cut, but I like to do different things and I love how this looks. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with a little amethyst. I always like a touch of purple in everything, almost. It's my favorite color. And there you go. Oh, I love that. Go right there. Amethyst again. And I am digging the look. So this is the look that I came up with the Huda palette. This is what it looks like with the eyes closed. Just keep in mind, I'm learning. And then the last thing for sure is I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. and I am going to lightly clean it up in there, in here. And let me get my eyebrows done. Actually, I don't get my eyebrows done, I do it myself. And I'm gonna go in here. Okay. We put that away. And then with this little brush, I got this off Wish. It took forever to get here, but I got it. And I was pleasantly surprised. I'm just gonna gently clear it up here. Put the excess on my hand. There we go. Okay. So that area looks pretty good. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here and I'm just gonna circle it. There you go. And that is done. I didn't dip it or anything, just with what I had left. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the right eye. And I am not good with my right hand. I do everything with my left, but I'm learning. So there you go, I did that there. And then I know I did excess right here. Okay. I just go ahead and start cleaning it up gently. I just affected the eyebrow, I think. We'll fix that right now. Okay. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go down here and I'm going to pull out the excess here and I'm just going in there. Okay, and now I have this and I'm also going to go in with this one again and then just and here you go, and this is the final look. I think I need to fix a little bit this. Try it again right here. It's first time doing it, but I still like the look. I still like the come out. And I'm getting a little bit here. go ahead and put some down here. And then I'm gonna get the purple again. And I'm gonna get the pink and fix a little, there we go. And that is the look. This one didn't come out as even like this one. I like that one a lot. Let me move this one around a little. All right, and that is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, I'm just learning, but I think for being my second try, this look is pretty nice. I can get away with it at a party. Plus, I like experimenting and testing things out. I want to thank you for your time. Please like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching. You all have a great night. Bye.